Hi guys, I am Ayush Wani. I am the team leader of QuantamCodersQuantam. So today I am here to demonstrate the solution for the problem statement which is proposed by Ministry of Punjab, Smart Education. So before going towards video, let me define the context for this video. And the video is going to be defined in three parts. The first one will be the what we are actually going to implement or what actually we are going to build a platform. Second thing is a workflow that I will define how it's going to be work and all these things, technologies we are going to implement in order to build this platform. And the third thing is that the pros and the cons of this platform along with the market strat, what are the current market strat for this. So when you enter in 10th standard, everybody needs a mentor in the life. Like basically when you enter in 10th standard, your parents, your teachers were there for your mentors, like which side to take. If you want to be an engineer, you want to be PCM. Then if you want to be a doctor, you have to take PCB. If you want to be commerce, then you have to go to BCom. If you want to take arts, you want to go arts. So mentors are there for your entire life. But when you entered into the main industry, at that time it became difficult for each and every guy to define what we are going to build. So it became very important to understand the requirements of the industries and many more things. So basically, we are going to build a platform where actually it's going to be divided into the two parts. First one will be the mentor part and the second will be the client part. So what is going to be working protocol of this platform? So basically, client is going to come on our site on the server. He is going to book the session. Client will see that when the mentor is available in throughout the month, and that is going to be his booking session allotment. Okay. So here you can see the technical approaches. So it's a technical approaches. Basically, we are using front end for the React, backend Next.js, Express.js, database. We are going to have the MongoDB and many more the APIs we are going to use for this purpose. So this is going to be our technical approach. I will explain in the second part of the video where I am going to actually define or I am going to actually tell you how this is going to be work. Okay, so these were things. So see, there are many feasibility, there are many potential, there are many strategies to overcome. There may be there will be a technical feasibility, market feasibility, operational feasibility, and it may face issues like scalability, trust, and user retention. For that purpose also we are going to have the strategies which will overcome all of these things, and we will discuss in the next part of this video. So what are the impacts and the benefits? So basically the impacts and the benefits, you can see that you can have there are many huge impacts. It will guide it will boost your career, it will have good networking opportunities, personal guidance, social benefits, economic benefits, environmental benefits, and many more things. Here's the second part of the video where I am going to discuss about what is the exact workflow of this thing. So as you tell me that there are two parts actually, the user authentication part and the mentor authentication part. So let's begin with the user authentication part. Here you can see that whenever the user will go, he will first log in, sign up, and all these things. User authentication will be the first step of this process, where user will log in through his email, password, username in order to show that yeah, it's a true user, or you can say it's not a fake user, it's not spam. For that purpose, we will do authentication with the help of JWT tokens, cookies, by using the private keys for the encryption and decryption, by using Node.js, decryption. Here in this database is user's email address, password, and user will be saved. So that's the user authentication process. Okay, the second thing is that mentor verification. Yeah, this is the main part of our project where we are going to see how this mentor verification is going to be happen. So mentor verification is another important part of our video where mentor is going to submit its KYC, DigiLocker. Along with that, he is also going to be submitting his current LinkedIn profile or its working industry profile. We are going to authenticate that. Here also, we are going to use JWT tokens along with the private key networks, where he will be authenticated by that, and he will be allocated with that particular booking session. Third part is booking session. So what is a booking session is going to happen like? Okay, whenever the mentor is going to book a session, after booking session he will get a particular unique ID or code, and whenever the user is going to book a session, he will see the availability of the mentors at the particular calendar by particular month by booking credit. Whenever he will book, he will get a unique key or ID. Whenever that mentor's unique key and ID and users, clients booking key ID will match. So they will be allocated a booking session and they will have a meeting through one-on-one video call sessions, chat session. Here we will have one-on-one video call session. We have built each and everything for that. Okay, so the third part is the technologies we are going to use. Technologies like for the front end, we are going to use React. For the back end, we are going to use Node.js, Next.js, and Nginx. So Node.js, you know, but Next.js is like, it's like a framework of the React only. It's built on React. So mostly we are going to use Next.js and Nginx. Nginx is basically a reverse proxy server. So we will try mainly focused on building this Nginx server, where it is a reverse proxy server which will be helping for reverse proxy and caching. And a database we are going to use is MongoDB or Redis. We will try to go for the Redis. The reason is that it's a fast caching purpose. It's an in-memory database, so it will be helpful for us in order to caching. So here is one simple demo that how our front end of our website is going to be. So we have built 20-30% of the work has been done by us. We are implementing more feature in this, so you can see all of these things. We are also implementing much more designs, much more user interface, and many more things. Along with that, we are also going to have one feature like mapping. So what is the mapping? So if particular IT industry guy or medical field guy is seeking the job, if he is in particular area, he needs a job, then we are going to use mapping purpose, where he will find nearby industries, companies, or the medical sectors who are seeking for the job purpose. So we are going to build these things. So here it was these things. So this was all about our mentor connect. So if I tell you that what were the pros and the cons, so it's like pros and cons are it has an authentic relationship, it has convenience, it has a diversity, it has a flexibility, knowledge transport, reduces the cost, and many more things. So you can see all of these things are very crucial advice here. If you see the market stat of this website or this thing, then you can see the mentoring software market has valued up to $637 million in 2023, and it can grow up to $3.61 billion up to 2031. So it's like growing sector right now. So it's a like growing platform. So we are going to build that thing. So hope so you like whatever we are going to build. So thank you very much.